Wizardia is an online fantasy role-playing game with unique NFT that is a contemporary play-to-earn P2E game. Its captivating gameplay and outstanding graphics outperform the majority of blockchain-based games. You play as wizards according to your NFT in the wonderful turn-based combat game known as Wizardia. As you increase the Axes and Axie Infinity, you can level up by increasing your NFT in Wizardia too. So let's see this amazing project in detail. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's start from very basics. What is Wizardia? WZRD dollar. Wizardia is a play-to-earn online role-playing strategy game with unique NFT at its core. Players get rewards from Wizardia by monetary investments. They also will be paid for time and effort investments into the game. Its three gameplay pillars: innovative turn-based combat, player-driven game evolution, and upgrade-based character progression, support the game's design. The game combines RPG features with turn-based combat, character progression, artifact upgrades, and crafting. Wizards are acquired by players who then employ them to engage in PvEs and PvP combat in the arena. You must lead your heroic wizards, represented by NFT, as they fight for survival and uncover the magic of our newly born metaverse. You can level up your wizard NFT and boost their battle capabilities with successful gameplay. Then sell, trade, or rent them out in the upcoming Wizardia NFT marketplace. You must be thinking, how is Wizardia so unique? Wizardia succeeds by putting the game first and the financial possibilities second. It seeks to create a compelling game that will endure and draw players regardless of the financial reward. Wizardia introduces the limitless fog, where safe havens have grown on the few plots of land that are still habitable and protected from the unknown's wrath. Players can interact with the same using a big map of continents where they may explore natural resources and build defenses and strategies for ruling one or more of the continents. Wizardia takes it even further by putting a big focus on high-quality art and graphics, which further enhances its gameplay. This ensures passionate gamers enjoy Wizardia as much as any other popular game. Now, what are metaverses and NFT? The euphemistic term for a blockchain-based virtual environment found in video games is the metaverse. If you've seen the movies Free Guy or Ready Player One, which depict digital worlds comparable to current metaverses, you already know what a metaverse is. As a sign of its growing popularity, Facebook changed the name of its firm to Meta and pledged to continue creating the metaverse. The term metaverse was created to describe a contemporary game's digital world that is powered by blockchain technology and supports NFT. Despite the fact that games with digital worlds were already available in 2003, such as Second Life. These NFT can be updated and or exchanged between users inside or outside the metaverse and take the form of digital avatars as in Wizardia or digital territories like in Decentraland. In the Wizardia metaverse, there are various types of NFT. First, there are land NFT called Arena Genesis NFT, which allow you to own battle arena areas in the game. Second, there are Avatar and Item NFT, Wizards, Protospells, and Realm Wonders. The first is Avatar NFT, while the latter two are spell recipes and special buildings. For example, you need a Wizard NFT to play the game. You must be wondering who has created this amazing piece of art, so let's see the team behind Wizardia. First, we have the CEO, Mindogos Markavicius. With years of expertise in project management, marketing, and organizing large-scale international events, Mindogos is a seasoned team and community leader. He became the CEO he is today as a result of years of self-employment. Second is the COO, Tomas Kasurcius. Tomas has over 13 years of experience working in the field of digital marketing and is an expert in social media management. Tomas has a long history of producing great apps, and he also developed a number of popular apps for companies like Facebook, Shopify, and many more. Third is the CTO, Marius Podvoiskis. The engineering team at Wizardia is led by Marius, who also manages the planning of continuous technical solutions. He has previously worked with various digital businesses and completed extensive engineering work on the Shopify app Firepush. Now comes their lead designer, Mantas Grigidis. Mantas, a maestro of visual communication, currently oversees Wizardia's design approach after contributing his artistic flair to video games, movies, art, and nonprofit organizations. And the game designer of this project is Gediminas Tarasvicius. Gediminas is a seasoned game designer with more than 10 years of expertise. As the director of the Lithuanian Game Developers Association, the head of studio at No Break Games Vilnius, and the lead game designer at Norcurrent, he has years of industry experience behind him. Our last member, the director of partnerships, is Eligijus Lipskis. Eligijus is in charge of expanding Wizardia's global footprint by finding and establishing new collaborative relationships. He has more than 7 years of expertise in SaaS development, game development, and project management. So this was the team, and here is the roadmap they have built. Wizardia aims to launch its game along with AR integration and mobile app by the fourth quarter of 2022. They plan to build a marketplace and list their token in a tier 1 centralized exchange by the third quarter of 2022. I am quite impressed to see their progress, as they have been able to meet most of their roadmap goals on time, which is hard to see in most crypto projects. Interestingly, they have been consistently growing their community, which is super essential in building a successful, vibrant metaverse economy. In simple terms, it seems that the team behind Wizardia has cracked the code. Now comes Wizardia's token details, because that's what empowers this whole ecosystem, though. Before we begin with its tokenomics, here is the short information on its token metrics. Token name, Wizardia. Ticker, WZRD. Blockchain, Solana, BNB chain. Token standard, SBL. Contract, updating. Token type, utility, governance. Total supply, 300 million. Finally, the tokenomics. WZRD is the native token of Wizardia with a total supply of 300 million. It's distributed as 5% in seeds, 15% private, 4% for community, 18% for marketing and listing, also 18% for team and advisors, and the biggest 40% for P2E and staking. The project employs cliff and vesting period mechanisms to release its tokens slowly. At the time of making this video, WZRD's dollar circulating supply was 7,740 billion according to CoinMarketCap. Moreover, Wizardia is selling its tokens in multiple rounds for all types of investors. That means its token supply is going to release evenly till mid-2023, thanks to tokens from seed, private, community, play-to-earn, staking, and marketing and listings allocations. Then, its supply will slowly increase till 2023 end due to tokens from play-to-earn and staking, team and advisors, and marketing and listings. So we will see a steady release till 2023. Now let's see token sales. Wizardia token sale was planned in stages, giving every potential investor, seed, private, or community investor, a fair chance of investing in the dream and success of Wizardia. Its team planned a fair release of tokens. As I have detailed above, all tokens come with a vesting period of 5 months to 19 months, depending on the token allocation and the token sale round. This shows the confidence and commitment of the team behind Wizardia in making this game a big success. Also, they ask for a similar level of confidence and commitment from their seed and private round investors, which further strengthens the tokenomics of its token WZRD dollar for the near future. Token uses. The price of any commodity or security in the world, including cryptocurrencies, is defined by its demand and supply. That is, the price goes as high as the friction between high demand and low supply. The same is true for WZRD dollar. Fortunately, the team behind Wizardia has created a lot of use of their token. First, it's used to buy or mint resources, including artifacts and NFT, play bets on PvP battles, etc. Second, it's used as an entrance fee to participate in the tournaments. Now comes the biggest news and a great opportunity for you guys. Wizardia has launched its NFT sale on their official website, wizardia.io, which is also given in the description below, from where you can get 5% discount too. Arena Genesis NFT make up one half of the dual NFT economy in the Wizardia game world. They differ from their in-game counterpart, Wizard NFT, in that holders don't need to participate in gameplay to earn royalties from Wizardia. Arena Genesis NFT accrue royalties in 2 ways, through staking before the game's launch and through receiving a portion of all transactions conducted in the game's PvP arena when it is released. A total of 28,000 Arena Genesis NFT will be made available for public investors, with 4,000 sets to be distributed in each of the 7 sales rounds. Started on February 14th, Arena Genesis NFT get a public sale in the first of 7 scheduled sales rounds on the Wizardia website. They already sold out on their first, second, third, fourth, and fifth round of sale. Their 6th round is live, which has already crossed 1/4 of sales, so grab them before they sold out. You could also calculate how much you are going to earn with Wizardia's revenue calculator. The link is in the description below. This is how they look. Wizardia Arena Genesis NFT, first round. Wizardia Arena Genesis NFT, second round. Wizardia Arena Genesis NFT, third round. Wizardia Arena Genesis NFT, fourth round. Wizardia Arena Genesis NFT, fifth round. So what are you waiting for? Go grab them as they are getting sold very quickly. Also, to claim a discount of 5%, just click the link in the description, which will directly take you to their website on the sale page. Supported currencies are BNB, USDT, and USDC. 15 minutes after purchase, the NFT will be minted and sent to your email address. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.